Hi, and welcome back. So, now that we've outlined several key terms and processes, we'll continue with a video in which we compare the data analyst role and other data-related jobs. I would like to emphasize that from now on, when we say data, unless specified otherwise, we mean quantitative data. So, under data analysis or analytics, for instance, you can imagine statistical formulas and numeric computations. More precisely, the skills you will need here are related to quantitative disciplines such as mathematics and statistics, as well as technical skills involving the use of programming languages. The term business, on the other hand, as in business analysis or analytics, refers to a business activity focused on an improved economic outcome, using data to make more money by growing revenues or reducing costs. Therefore, if you're a business expert, you are someone who has specific domain knowledge that allows you to understand how a specific economic activity functions. A person can be an expert in the automotive industry, in real estate, optics, and so on. Thus, the key strength of a business person is their ability to understand what creates economic value in an organization and in an industry. A data person, instead, is there to help out where the business people's hands are tied. To be considered a pillar of strength, a data expert should possess quantitative and programming skills that transcend boundaries and are applicable across industries. Consequently, although they have very different profiles, a business and data analyst are in constant contact. As we already said, analysis and analytics, although different, are very strongly related terms. At the end of the day, unless you have conducted your analysis to explain the past, you can't predict the future accurately and precisely. That is to say, you can't really start doing analytics. That's why, and very important to note, the job of a data analyst has evolved to comprise the characteristics of both data analysis and data analytics. Also, when you think of it, a data analyst takes care of both analysis and analytics. So it doesn't really matter whether we will be saying analytic approach or analytical approach. In our next lesson, we'll try to delineate what data analysts do typically. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.